Hey, what's up, Geometry Apexers? I just wanted to walk you through what you are supposed to be doing as far as submitting custom assignments. So, when you are submitting a custom assignment, you'll need to go to your geometry card in Canvas. Okay, and once you're on the geometry card, it will bring you to the home screen as you see on your screen right now. You'll go to Modules and you'll scroll down to your assignment 152A, let's say, is the first assignment that we're going to do. That's a custom assignment. You'll watch this video. You'll click on this link. It's a PDF. You can either print the PDF and do the problems, or you can maybe draw the necessary information on a separate piece of paper and do the problems. Okay. Once you've done the problems, you'll need to take a picture of that assignment. Then you're going to turn in your assignment here. So you click this link, it takes you right to the assignment page, and this is where you guys will have a submit button somewhere. So you'll submit, you'll attach a file, and you'll attach that photo that you had. And that's just going to put everything on Canvas for me, so that way I can look at each one of your pictures, and it will be an easy way for me to go ahead and transfer this grade over to Apex when you're ready and when you've submitted that. All right, thanks a lot, guys.